we will learn about Roman numerals. One of the early systems of writing numeral is the system of Roman numeral. The ancient Roman used letters to write numbers, and each symbol or letter is represented by English alphabet. You can write any number using the combination of these symbols. Let's take a look of these symbols. Roman numeral and Hindu-Arabic numerals. So here we have 7 symbols: I, V, X, L, C, D and M. First one is I, which means 1. Next V, which means 5. Third X, which means 10. L, which means 50. C, which means 100. D, which means 500. And M, which means 1000. There is another symbol, this symbol, which is called bar. If bar is placed over a numeral, it is multiplied by 1000. For example, V and bar is placed over a numeral V is equals to 5000. Next, X and bar is placed over a numeral X, and X stands for 10. So it is multiplied by 1000, means 10,000. We need to remember 4 rules. We need to remember 4 rules while writing a numeral. Rule 1. Repetition of a symbol in a Roman numeral means addition. For example, repeating a symbol means addition. If you write I 2 times, then you would add the value of I 2 times. Here I stand for 1, so 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. Again, X in X and X. If you write X 2 times, then you would add the value of X, and X stand for 10. So 10 plus 10 is equals to 20. Next, X, X, X. Again 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equals to 30. C and C. C stand for 100. So 100 plus 100 is equal to 200. Now next, here some important notes about rule 1. First, no symbol in a Roman numeral can be repeated more than 3 times. V, L and D are never repeated. Third, only I, X, C and M can be repeated. Now, rule 2. A smaller numeral written to the right of a larger numeral is always added to the larger numeral. For example, here VI. First example is VI. I is smaller than V. So when a smaller numeral is written to the right side of the larger numeral, is always added to the larger numeral. So V stand for 5 and I stand for 1. So 5 plus 1 is equal 6. Next, X stand for 10 and V stand for 5. Again, V is smaller and it is placed and it is written to the right side of the larger numeral. So again it is added. 10 plus 5 is equal 15. Next, V, I. Now V represent 5 and I represent 1. So I is written 3 times, which is equal to 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 8. L stand for 50 and X stand for 10. So 50 plus 10 is equals to 60. Now rule third. A smaller numeral written to the left of the larger numeral is always subtracted from the larger numeral. For example, IV. Now in rule 3, when a smaller numeral is written to the left side of the larger numeral is always subtracted. I stand for 1 and V stand for 5. So I is always subtracted from 5. 5 minus 1 is equal 4. Next, I and X. X stand for 10 and I stand for 1. So always I is subtracted from the larger numeral, means 10 minus 1 is equal 9. X and L. L stand for 50 and X stand for 10. So 50 minus 10 is equal 40. C, D. C stand for 100 and D stand for 500. So 500 minus 100 is equal 400. X and C. C stand for 100 and X is smaller than 100. X stand for 10. So 100 minus 10 is equal 90. C, M. C means 100, M means 1000. So 1000 minus 100 is equal to 900. Here are some important notes about rule 3. V, L and D are never subtracted. Always remember students, V, L and D symbols are never subtracted. X can be subtracted from L and C only. I can be subtracted from V and X only. And lastly, C can be subtracted from D and M only. Rule 4. When a smaller numeral is placed between two larger numerals, it is always subtracted from the larger numeral immediately following it. For example, X, I, V. Here I is a smaller numeral and it is placed between two larger numerals, that is X and V. X stands for 10 and V stand for 5. So 10 plus 5 minus 1 is equal 14. Again X, I, X is equals to X stand for 10 plus 10 minus 1 is equal 19. C, X, I, V. C stand for 100, X stand for 10 and a smaller number is I, is subtracted from 5. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4, is equal to 114. So student, that was all about Roman numerals. Thank you.